the audience increases the enthusiasm. In this, they're doing, this.
Team got its first goal in the name of Barisor Malka. It is the 6th match. Who will take the wicket? The heat has come, the sail is gone.
Number 2 player is getting ready, number 3 player. Shamu, let's go, local star. Shamu 2, and 2, and Uncle Sopioku. And 2, Laxman and Babula are also included.
Players are creating a stir. And probably Sham, who is ready to hit a hem, it is a given. The
Ball comes, then you guys can think of the crowd. Comes, then you guys can think of the crowd.